Hello friends, welcome to Happy Times with Kids Zone. We all know Ramayana is a great epic which celebrates the victory of good over evil. It also describes the journey of Sri Ram from childhood to adulthood. Today we bring forth this Ramayana through the fun-loving medium of puppet show.
We welcome you all to the kingdom of Ayodhya. Look what a beautiful city it is. Flowers, birds, butterflies all have a very cordial relation and they all love their king Dashrath very much. Even King Dashrath takes care of his kingdom very well. He has 4 sons. Eldest one is Ram. Then comes Lakshmanji. Look, this is his younger brother Lakshman. Other 2 younger brothers are Bharatji and Shatrughanji. All the 4 brothers have a special bonding. They take care of each other so well and they are always there for each other. One day, news came that the Nana, the grandfather of Bharat, is not well. So Bharat and Shatrughan went to take care of their maternal grandfather. Meanwhile, the news came that demons outside the kingdom are troubling the saints. So Lord Dashrath ordered Ram and Lakshman to destroy the demons. See how well they are fighting with the demons, and within no time they end all the demons and destroy them. After that, Lord Ram and Lakshman went to the kingdom of Janakpur. This is Janakpur. Here, the princess of this kingdom is Princess Sita. Here, this is the court, and she has to choose her husband today. Let us meet Princess Sita. She is a warrior princess and she has knowledge of all the scriptures. When she was small, a dhanush was gifted to her by a saint. So she put the condition that whosoever will hold the Shiv dhanush will be her husband. Everyone, all the kings, brave men came, but no one could hold this Shiv Dhanush. In the end came the turn of Lord Ram, and he came forward and held the Shiv Dhanush very well. But since it was very old, it broke into 2 pieces. But everyone clapped and it was a celebration time. Both of them got married and flowers and blessings were showered from the heaven. After this, Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman, they reached their own kingdom of Ayodhya. Look here, the 3 of them are there. Because of some reason, Lord Ram was ordered to go to jungle for 14 years. Sita said, "My lord, I'll also come with you." And Lakshman, his younger brother, said, "Brother, even I'll accompany you." All 3 of them took the simple attire to go to the forest. There was no jewelry. They wore simple orange color clothes and they just carried their bow and arrow. See, all 3 of them are there in their simple clothes so as to go to the jungle, deep forests. After taking the permission, all three of them reached the forest. Look here, this is the place in the forest where they made a hut and they started living a very simple life. One day, Sita ji saw a golden deer and she wanted it. So Lord Ram and Lakshman, they went after the golden deer and asked Sita ji to stay indoors. After they went, a impostor saint came near the hut and said, Bhiksham Dehi, which meant, Lady, serve me the food. And when Sita ji came forward to give the food, this impostor immediately, suddenly changed into a demon. Ha 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 ha! Ha 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 ha! I am Ravan, king of Lanka, and I will take you to my kingdom. And he called his Pushpak Viman, which is a flying chariot. Look here, this is a flying chariot. He took Sita along with him and said, Oh my chariot, take us to the Lanka.
Friends, you viewed the first part of Ramayana, and very soon we'll be bringing the second and the concluding part. Till then, goodbye. Please like, share and subscribe to Happy Times with Kids Zone.